welcome to another lawnfawn video. Today we are so excited to be showing you everything from our Valentine 2026 release in this overview video. This release is full of things perfect for Valentine's Day, love cards, friendship cards, and cards all year round. We are so excited to be showing you all of the new stamps, dies, stencils, and more in this video. And we also just featured all of these products in our December Inspiration Week on our blog. And we also have intro videos for all of these new products available now here on YouTube. And the awesome thing is that everything in this video is available on December 11th. So we thought it'd be fun to give you a peek at everything in this awesome release. So let's go ahead and check it out. First up, we're going to take a look at our brand new stamp set, A Mole Lot of Love, its coordinating dies and coloring stencils, and also the A Mole Lot of Love add-on stamp set dies and coloring stencils too. These sets are so cute and they're so much fun to mix and match together. You can create adorable Valentines or love cards or friendship cards with this. They're really adorable with interactive cards like this really fun Flippin' Awesome card. I absolutely love creating with these little moles. I mean, look at them. They are just so super cute. They're also really fun to create a Valentine's Day card with, and then a coordinating little favor. Isn't this so cute with the plastic shovel? I am just in love with this. And my son Miles also got super excited about the moles and loved making cards with this set too. Next up, we have our Critter Conversation Hearts stamp set. This set is so cute and it has coordinating dies and coordinating coloring stencils. And we have our Critter Conversation Hearts add-on with its die and coloring stencil too. And this set is so cute because you can mix and match any of those phrases and add them into those adorable hearts. You can also use the heart on its own without the phrases, and that looks really, really cute too. I love the feel of creating those cute little candy hearts with the little critters holding on to them. I mean, the cards just turn out so adorable. Next up, we have a fun mini set called Soy Happy, and we have the coordinating die and coordinating coloring stencils for this too. And this set is so super cute. I love that you can add the little smiley faces on to the characters. It just makes me smile. And then next up, we have our Valentine Mice stamp set. It's coordinating die and coordinating coloring stencil. And this set is also just adorable. It has our mice, so it can mix and match with any of our other mice sets. And I absolutely love the one holding the little envelope. It just makes me smile. And the other one blowing a kiss. It's just adorable. Next up, we have our brand new Build a Critter Valentine accessories. These accessories go along with our cute Build a Critters. We have our Build a Fox and our Build a Bunny, and it turns him into the most adorable little Valentine Cupid. I mean, it is just so cute and sweet. Look at this little fox all dressed up. Isn't he so much fun? And of course, you can dress up the bunny too. These Valentine accessories are the latest in our accessories and costumes for these adorable critters. And so now we have Valentine, we have our original set here, which is perfect for spring. We have two different sets of Halloween costumes. We have winter accessories, and we also have Christmas accessories, and now Valentine accessories too. Next up, we have our paper clips dies. These dies are so cute and they create little paper clips that you can add on to your cards. I love die cutting them out of metallic cardstock like we've done here. They're really fun out of different colors of cardstock or even pattern paper. They add the perfect little detail onto your cards, and I love that kind of bulletin board, corkboard feel that it gives onto your cards too. It's just so much fun. Next up, we're going to take a look at our Giant Outline Love, which has a base and these cute little letters that you can layer over top. And we're going to look at our Quilted Heart border, which adds the most perfect little border that feels almost like a special ribbon on your card, or you can even create backgrounds with them too. There you can see that Giant Outline Love. We've die cut the letters out of metallic cardstock, which is so pretty. And here we've created a whole background with the beautiful Quilted Heart border. I love the die and the detail it has so much. Now here we have our Heart Blooms die. This is so cute because it has all that greenery and then these cute little hearts that you can layer over top to create this little garden of heart-shaped flowers. It's so sweet with cute critters, or you can even add it into our bouquet wrap die. Next up, we have our postage rectangle stackables. It has this really cute stitch detail and the fun postage edge. And we also have stencils that go along with it that help you add color to the center of these rectangles, and you can still have that little white postage edge all of the way around, which looks so pretty. Here you can see how fun it is with some stenciled candy hearts inside. It's really great out of vellum to help frame a cute character, or you can even use it here to help frame an adorable little scene, and they're really fun cut out of pattern paper, or you can do some other stenciling too. And I love that there are 4 different sizes, which makes it perfect for all different types of cards. Next up, we have our checkered hearts backdrop in both the portrait and the landscape style. I love this backdrop so much. It's got that fun little stitch detail, those little lines, and also cut out hearts. So you can layer either a contrasting or coordinating color behind those hearts to have a fun pop of color or a cool tone on tone look. I absolutely love these backgrounds. It just makes every card feel so special. And here we went ahead and colored behind all of those hearts to create a fun little rainbow look, and it's so fun. And it's even a fun little frame for a fun, flippin' awesome card as well. Next up, we have our outline heart stencil. This is a one-step stencil that creates this really cute outline hearts background. I love creating a bold background with it or also doing fun tone on tone. It's really fun to stencil over pattern paper too. Next up, we have our Candy Hearts background stencil. This is a 5-step stencil that creates the most beautiful backgrounds. You can stencil in the cute little words to get that really Valentine candy heart feeling, or you can also leave off the words just to get a really cool heart background. This is so much fun to do and customize with all of your different favorite colors. Next up, we have some brand new washi tape. We have our purple Tiny Hearts washi tape, and then we also have our XOXO washi tape. These tapes are so cute and perfect for Valentine's Day and beyond. I love adding them onto my envelopes, decorating on the front of my cards with them, lining them up to create a cool custom pattern paper, or even layering them on the inside of my card to make the inside feel special too. These are just so cute, and I love collecting these fun washi tapes. Every release, we have been going back to old favorite stamp sets and coming out with coloring stencils for them. And we have done that here with Sent with Love. We have the coloring stencils for the Sent with Love stamp set and also for the Sent with Love add-on too. And I love having these coloring stencils as an option. We've also come out with coloring stencils for our Waffle Lot stamp set, which is one of my favorites, and those waffles look really, really cool with the coloring stencils. And then we've come out with the coloring stencils for our How You Bean Conversation Hearts add-on. This stamp set is an add-on to our How You Bean set, which also has a coloring stencil too, so I love that you can combine them together to create really cute How You Bean cards with those coloring stencils. And so that is our Valentine 2026 release. We had so much fun during this inspiration week, and we hope you guys did too. We are really looking forward to sharing lots more inspiration with this release on our blog and on our YouTube channel. And we're so excited that all of these products are available on December 11th. I also just wanted to take a moment and thank you guys for all of your wonderful comments and for watching our videos and for being absolutely amazing. We appreciate you guys so much, and we can't wait to see what you're going to create with those brand new products because, oh my goodness, that is the very best part. We absolutely love seeing your incredible and amazing creations. We are so grateful for you guys, and we are sending you lots and lots of love this season. So thank you so much for watching today, and I hope you have an absolutely amazing day. Bye!